Welcome to Kathy's Hobby Corner.
Hey guys, I got my bird nest today. This is Agfabric, and it's insect barrier netting, but it also can be used for birds. So we're going to put these up on our blackberries so that we will eventually be able to keep some of the blackberries for ourselves. I mean, I gave them some, but they're just nitpicking and not taking a full berry. So, and I got whole rows gone now. So yeah, we're gonna install this today.
When the bugs try to get out in there, and you get the sticks with the bark out of it, you consume it.
Oh goodness.
You got it?
You said it tried,
Yeah. One of those roly polies.
Yeah.
He tried to get out, but he couldn't. Fire took over. You got it?
Yeah, I think so. Okay guys, we need to add in another U-post so that we can have a smooth transition. So, huh? I need to put it right here so it'll even out.
Hey, Mark.
The ground is still kind of wet, so oh, I can't do it with that lead. Hey Mark, I need the mallet out of the shed. It should be right at the door of the shed.
What's that number, lady?
You know the number we use all the time? The first three of it. You know what I'm talking about? Huh? You got it? Okay. Yeah, it's right there in the corner. Those heavy ones, they yellow with the hard head on them. Yeah, that. The yellow one. Huh? Yeah, that. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, you know what. Whatever. Okay, sledgehammer. Just like the song. Sledgehammer. Dun, dun. Okay, so I need to knock that part in the ground. Should be able to do it. Yeah, either that way. There you go. Perfect. Thank you, sir. Perfect. Perfect. Dun, dun. I'll fold the rest of this up so that it can be used at a later date if needed.
You sure you got enough to hang out these for this?
Yeah, it don't matter. They're not eating the ones at the bottom. They're eating the ones at the top. the ones that are, you know what I'm saying, where they sit on the fence, because they can't get to those. But if I can hide them under there, I'll hide it. You know what I mean?
Right.
Did I not put one? Oh, I didn't put one on this one yet. Okay. I'm glad I bought all these supplies at the first of the last year, end of last year. Because I'm definitely able to use them.
They'll get up under him.
Well, at least this way, I think the bees can still get access without, let me get a zip tie as opposed to this. But I doubt the birds will make that much because they would have to be flying.
Yep.
I don't know. See, look at this one. They got this one.
Wow.
I think it'll be okay though. I could always, but my thing is the ones that are up here, hopefully this will keep them from grabbing them at least. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's really all I was hoping to do.
All right.
Thanks, baby. Okay guys, so we got it installed. We're using zip ties on this only because the birds are sitting on the top. They're sitting on the top and they're munching on the ones on the top, and they just munch just enough so they can mess them up. So I'm hoping if they can't get to the ones down here, we'll be okay. So I can lift this up while I'm out here. But I don't see any flowers, so I'm not really worried about bees right now because I can lift this up when I'm out here. And see, there's a wasp in there now, so they can clearly fly up in here and get in here if they need to. Apparently the birds come out here early morning, and look, see how they're nibbling on that? I don't know if y'all can tell, but they are nibbling on that. We can't eat that. And all of these across the top are gone. Y'all see all these gone? This is where the birds just sat here and just ate their fill. And this was today. They ate that. And they sat right here and ate all of these beautiful berries I was showing y'all the other day. Look at all those eat marks from the birds. This one didn't get eaten, but these two got eaten. Look at there. Yeah, this one is fine, but these two got eaten. So we're going to pull off, and this one down here got eaten. We're going to pull off the ones that they ate, and hopefully by having this mesh here, we'll be able to keep majority of these ones that are almost done, that I'm trying to wait. Y'all know I picked several the other day because they were darkening around the base, but they weren't black. But I took them anyway because I knew the birds were going to try to eat them. So, and then it got this one. This one was actually a branch that they sat on and broke so they could eat it. See there? They ate all the way through it. So hopefully putting this mesh up here will stop that. And I'm going to come back through here and pull off the ones that I see that they have eaten. And then we're going to let this mesh down because bees can still get up in here. But I'm hoping the birds won't be that aggressive to try to get up in here. Okay? All right. Just a little DIY to try to help you with your blackberries if you have the trellises. Okay?
where dreams align. She nurtures life in